This Crypto.com Price Prediction 2021 video is based on technical analysis alone. You will see the key metrics that we have taken into consideration upon coming up with our CRO price analysis and prediction. The year 2020 was good for cryptocurrencies. While the rest of the world's economy dipped, most cryptocurrencies' prices increased or maintained their prices within the range. However, 2021 seems quite promising to the crypto world. Meanwhile, there is also some crypto that didn't escape the volatility of the crypto market. As a result, many crypto traders are confused about whether it is time to sell or hold out for a good price. For CRO Coin, this may not be the case as it continues to maintain its uptrend position. Crypto.com launched its mainnet on March 25, 2021. CRO made the largest token burn in history, wherein 70 billion CRO was removed from the total supply. Moreover, 59.6 billion CRO was already burned on February 22, 2021. In fact, CRO price reached an all-time high price of 52 cents in November. Nevertheless, the crypto market is moving sideways lately, and most cryptos are losing their previous gains. Is the scenario the same as the CRO price? We'll find out shortly in this CRO Price Analysis 2021 video. But first, let's have a look at what CRO is. Crypto.com Coin Technical Analysis. The gradual but steady rise in the price of Crypto.com Coin, CRO, may not have won at the topmost cryptocurrency award, but smart investors have learned to wait and watch for this coin to perform and work wonders on exchange. Many forecast experts of the crypto world have investment advice. The price of existing CRO tokens is around 11 cents per coin worth as of date, with a bright future for trade-making investors buy CRO tokens. Based on our CRO price prediction, a long-term increase is expected. The price prognosis for 2026 is around the level of $100. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 20,000%. Wallet investor. Finally, a ray of hope for the future price of Crypto.com Coin, CRO. The CRO's price is around $4 per token. According to our Crypto.com Coin forecast, the token price could reach the $7 mark by the end of the year and so turn a profitable investment along with global adoption. Market Realist. Based on our predictions, CRO's price may reach $30 by the end of 2022, making investors buy CRO tokens at the current price level. Trading Beasts. Based on historical data and our price forecast, the Crypto.com Coin, CRO, might cross $13 by the end of the year and $200 after 5 years. Reddit Community. CRO Price Predictions, 2021 to 2025. A lot can be said about Crypto.com partnerships and corporate responsibility factors that are known to push the price momentum of the crypto CRO in the near future. Crypto.com has recently acquired an Australian financial services license. It has also launched $200 million funds for crypto startups as an aggressive gesture. The Crypto.com exchange has also launched an NFT platform. Let's explore the future of Crypto.com Coin, CRO, and whether it is worth investing in the Crypto.com Coin. CRO Price Prediction 2021. If the crypto market turns favorable, this digital asset, Crypto.com Coin, is set to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, scaling the peak as aforesaid. Transgressing all limitations over the next year, it would surely show signs of fortune for its traders. Backed by robust smart contracts, the CRO coin price may easily touch $10 by end of the year 2021. CRO Price Prediction 2022. Considering there are no sudden jolts or a stony path ahead for cryptocurrency markets, CRO is all set to show a bullish sign to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its investor community. The road ahead is full of petals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the price, taking it to cross all barriers, scaling $16. CRO Price Prediction 2023. CRO has established a fast, reliable network and works with the user experience of the product based on algorithm calculation. These features can help the CRO coin gain higher prices of $23 per coin. If the drive for functional crypto continues into 2023, the price may even see a paradigm rush. CRO Price Prediction 2024. There are quite a few speculations going forward for Crypto.com Coin, CRO. Especially keeping in perspective the forecasts, the technological announcements, and progress the company has designs on. There are forecasts the coin price may reach $34, making it worthwhile for the coin users. CRO Price Prediction 2025 and beyond. Based on our forecast for the 2025 price trend, the Crypto.com coin, CRO, is also active in the community initiatives. With a focus on education, outreach, and innovations that may take the coin price to an appreciable level of $40. The token is set to pick up the pace with other cryptocurrencies, and the CRO price will stabilize to bring gallant returns for its users. Frequently asked questions. How do I transact through the Crypto.com exchange website? Like other exchanges, you need to open an account, personal or professional, on the Crypto.com website with the same method as you do for trading on other platforms. Also, you need to follow the same steps you do during a fiat bank account opening. Withdrawal too follows the equivalent procedure. All this calls for your KYC verification, and the Team Crypto.com network is there to support. Is Crypto.com wallet safe? The Crypto.com app and DeFi wallet are reasonably safe, as many people across the globe are using the platform to buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and other crypto assets. While using the platform, you can avail multiple services like buying and selling coins in the cryptocurrency market without any risk of fraud. Where to buy Crypto.com coin? The best would be to utilize in-house exchange like the Crypto.com website. Moreover, few well-known exchanges, like Bittrex, KuCoin, and Huobi Global also offer it. There's an overview of the chain of exchanges like Binance and Huobi Global available to you and to help you buy or sell CRO for easy comparison, indicating signs and showing calculations. What to do when I am unable to transfer my Crypto.com coin to the exchange website? With Crypto.com coin, you are assured of exchange supporting the migration of CRO tokens. Hence, no worries. You would not suffer any losses. Does Crypto.com coin CRO have a good future? A due diligence following the price prediction of CRO price is always advisable. There should not be any heartbreaks nor any overjoyous explanations required if you invest thoughtfully in seeing the price forecast. Crypto.com historical data. As per the latest news and current market updates, the Crypto.com coin, CRO, is trading around 50 cents at the time of writing this video. With a market cap of $17 billion and a 24 hours trading volume of $2.5 billion. The circulating supply of Crypto.com coin CRO stands at 25 billion. CRO emphasizes the bright future of the token in the coming years, giving it a robust presence. That's it for this video. If you like the content, make sure to click on the like and subscribe button.